Everyone, my name is Satwa Dhanani. I am studying in standard 5th. I am going to show my maths project which is Roman numerals. This is one. Roman numerals are one way to writing a numbers. They originate in ancient Rome to calculate the numbers and values. First, मतलब I. Second, 2 i's. Third, 3i. 4, IV. 5, V. 6, VI. 7, V double I. 8, V triple I. 9, IX. 10, X. फिर इधर है 11 मतलब XI. 12, X2I. 13, X3I. 14, XIV. 15, XV. 16, XVI. 17, XV double I. 18, XV triple I. 19, XIX. 20, 2X. Thank you.